In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can invite your friends here in Kick a Lucky Block on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, in order to do this, you need to open up the game itself. And once you're in the game, you're looking on this left-hand sidebar for this little invite button over here. So go ahead and select invite. It's then going to take you to a page that looks something like this. You need to hit send request, and after you go ahead and do that, you will be able to invite them to your game. Essentially, they have to do this fully through Roblox itself. But that really is the full process. Now, obviously, playing with your friends gives you a little friend boost as well. For example, I get 5 times the amount of money, which is super, super convenient. So obviously, the more friends that you have, the better off you're going to be. If your friend is just trying to join you, they need to join from the Roblox game page, so make sure they go ahead and do that. But that's actually going to be the full process. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.